Every brand struggles to grow and thrive with all the daily distractions and competitive pressures. Do you want a blueprint to what's working right now instead of second guessing whether or not the strategies that you've been trying are actually working or not? In this video, I'll share the insider secrets to help you get your products onto more store shelves and into the hands of more shoppers. At Brand Secrets and Strategies, you learn how to save valuable time and money, where you learn strategies to get your products on more store shelves and into the hands of more shoppers, empowering brands and raising the bar. Thank you for watching. I'm Dan Lohman, here to help save you valuable time and money with simple strategies to grow sustainable sales and profits. I look forward to supporting you in your success, empowering brands, raising the bar. A business plan is your recipe for success, a blueprint that anyone can follow and manage and grow your brand in your absence. The result is having a clear roadmap, pointing you toward your target objectives, including sales, profits, and distribution goals. Here are 4 points I want you to consider before we go any further. 1. Why the cash you have in the bank has nothing to do with your brand health. Hint, it's possible to have a lot of cash on hand and still fail. Learn why this matters and how you can get more out of your available runway and from your available resources or investments. 2. How to improve your brand's value to retailers and investors. The valuation of your brand determines the terms that you use to negotiate with investors. A better evaluation to your brand means more strategic investors and greater opportunities. 3. How to level the playing field between you and your most sophisticated competitor. True category management is a great equalizer between brands of all sizes. It can give you a significant and sustainable competitive advantage. Learn how to explode sales and profits with strategies other brands overlook. 4. How to use data to tell a compelling story others overlook. Knowing how to tell a compelling story with numbers is critical to your success. I've been using these strategies to push around big brands my entire career, and you can too. Do these points resonate with you? If they do, then you're in the right place. If they do, then please let me know what kind of questions you would love to see me answer on this channel. These videos are about you and they're for you. These are just some of the points covered, and my sales success begins with a solid business plan mini course. This video series will teach you skills that even the big brands overlook or ignore to help you stand out on a crowded shelf. I spend a lot of time talking about all the different brands that I've worked with, from pre-revenue to multi-billion-dollar companies. One of the things that really surprises me is that most of the brands, especially in the natural channel that I work with, don't have a business plan. Let me explain. We spend a lot of time as an industry. In fact, I think we do an amazing job as an industry teaching you how to raise money and how to hire a broker, etc. But I feel we do a lousy job at teaching you the importance of a business plan and why a business plan is so important. A business plan is your roadmap. It's your blueprint to success. A business plan is going to give you everything you need to get from point A to point B. Let me explain. If you're a brand and you want to grow to a certain size within a certain amount of time, well, you can put that in your business plan so that you know what you need to do to get from A to B to C to D in that order, and then how you're going to reach that goal. If you want to sell your brand at a certain point, then that's something you need to be able to put into your business plan. More importantly, your business plan needs to be very customized and tailored to your specific needs and to your specific business. I see a lot of brands buy business plans that are templates and fill those out. Huge mistake. Your business plan should be so complete that you can give to anyone and they can run your business for you on your behalf in your absence. That's the goal, and that's why this is critically important. The difference is, and the reason this is so important to you and what matters to you, is that this can determine how long you'll be around. And the best part is, when you're looking at funding, when you're looking at getting into retail, the more competitive your business plan is, the easier it's going to be for you to get the kind of funding or negotiate the kind of terms you want. So instead of settling for scraps from venture capitalists or banks, you can choose to work with venture capitalists that actually become strategic advisors, or go to a bank and say, here's what I need and here's why this matters. Here's how I plan to use the money that I get. Here's how I'm going to execute. And when you're working with a retailer, here's how I'm going to start selling my product in your store. And here's how I'm going to grow my brand. I'm going to start in these stores in this zip code, and I'm going to grow from there. Now, while this may sound kind of complicated, it really isn't. All it is you taking the time to think about what you want your brand to be. Who do you want to buy your brand? And then how do you want to have your brand represented long term? Now here's the question of the day. Could someone else build your brand in your absence using your business plan as a blueprint? Let me know below, and I'll see you in the next video.